And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Informed sprint hurdler Ronald Levy pulled off a massive upset while recording one of 3 Jamaican victories at Saturday's Diamond League meet in Paris. The 24-year-old Levy stunned a quality field which included Olympic champion and compatriot Omar McLeod to land the men's 110 meters hurdles in a personal best 13.05 seconds.
Away this time, McLeod gets away well and hits the first hurdle well. He's going well on the near side. Levy going well. Posse going well too in the third lane, and Posse going terrifically well here. McLeod hit the hurdle. Posse coming through. Oh, and on this side, I think Levy got it from Posse. Levy was so quick at the end, 13.07. Well, that was something else. McLeod was all over the place. Now, I think that Levy could well have got that because he did get it. 13.05, personal best, and what a time to do it. But also, Posse was going really well in that race, and did he get second? Yes, he did. 13.14, a new personal best.
Elsewhere, Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson posted 10.91 seconds to capture the women's 100 meters, where compatriot Christania Williams was sixth in 11.22.
Well, Thompson's got some work to do. Lelou's going very well too. Here comes Thompson now through the middle. Thompson and Lelou are going to take this. They're in first and second, and right on the far side, looked like Okabari might well have sneaked into third place. And 10.92. Well, that was a good race actually. 10.92 Thompson, 10.91 rounded down.
Veteran campaigner Noveline Williams-Mills landed the women's 400 meters in 51.03 seconds, while compatriot and world and Olympic bronze medalist Sharika Jackson was third in 51.91 seconds. Stephanie Ann McPherson, who was scheduled to run, did not compete.
Williams-Mills and Okolo, these two, and Okolo's closing down fast, but Williams-Mills is going to get this. Okolo in second place, Jackson in third. Disappointing run for Jackson, but 51.02. Conditions perfect, so not much of an excuse really.
Julian Fort placed fifth in the men's 100 meters in 10.26 seconds, with the event going to Youssef Mete of the Ivory Coast in 9.99 seconds. Rashid Dwar was third in the men's 200 meters in 20.45 seconds, behind winner Ramil Guliev of Turkey, who logged 20.15 seconds.